Here we are on a long drive, which is minimum 50 kilometers from where we stay near Puri from our resort. And yeah, there wasn't much to do today, so we thought we will visit a lake called Chilika Lake near Satapada, and here we are. So join me to enjoy the roads, the villages, the traffic on the roads, including three-wheelers, motorbikes, cycles, buses, and people walking. So yeah, there is different things for you to absorb, including the roadside shops, and if not shops, then some nice trees. And Odisha has got a lot of coconut trees, which you will see now as we exit this village. So we are on a road from Puri to Satapada, and at the moment jumping through a hump. And if you see any difficulties, let me get your view more clearer. Hope it is better now. And there comes another hump. So ready to jump. And yeah, there is a task for you if you count number of people inside this auto based on number of legs. You can see. Yeah, try it and let me know in the comments. And here you can see now the coconut trees, girls coming from school on their cycles. I am eager to overtake this auto so that you get clearer view. And here we go. So what you see is the untouched natural beauty of Odisha. Oh. There is an unimagined creature on the middle of the road. Here you get the signboard to Satapada which says go straight 30 kilometers. So here we are, almost arriving at Satapada. And as you will be coming on the way, you're gonna find some tourist agents who are gonna guide you towards their private boat hire facilities. So it depends on you whether you want to go with them or you want to go to the government facility. So we chose to go with the government facility and follow the Google Maps, so that's what we are doing. And yeah, the last stretch is even beautiful with the greenery and everything. There is even lesser traffic and lesser shops and houses. It's 2 o'clock at the moment in the afternoon. I don't know what time did we start. This time there are so it has been hour and 45 minutes so far. What you're gonna find on the way is invisible speed breakers or humps. And the other thing, in addition to speed breakers, is the cows you're gonna find in the middle of the road. And here is a boom barrier, a wooden boom barrier. Let's see what do they have to say. Alright, so as we pay the entry fee for the boom barrier, which is 20 rupees, and just next to it is the Yatri Nivas from OTDC, which is Odisha Transport Department something, and they operate the ferries and boats. So yeah, I just parked the car over here inside their premises, and yeah, you can buy the tickets here. There is toilets and also a restaurant. So whatever, I think it is a complete package. So we're gonna buy the tickets first. I'm not sure if we're gonna eat here or somewhere else. Let's see. Alright, so I went inside at the reception to check about the tickets and the tours. So they do two kinds of tours. One is 1.5 hour tour and the other is the 3 hour tour. And in both the tours, they include the dolphin watching. And the bigger tour basically takes you to the beach and let you spend some time at the beach, which I think we don't need. So we're gonna go with the 1.5 hour tour, but before that we're gonna go for a lunch, and then we will come back and then buy the ticket. So in case there are not many tourists, so you need to hire the boat by yourself, which costs. So boat hire basically costs 770 rupees, and in case you are more people, you can split among more people. If you are less people, you split that between less people. So that's how it is. But so far, the good thing is it's everything genuine. It's a government operated. So yeah, nothing much to worry. We have used the toilets here. We are gonna book the boats after the lunch, and yeah, for the food we're gonna go outside and eat at some local restaurant. And then after that, yeah, let's hope we'll get to see some dolphins. This is the restaurant over here. Time to have some lunch.